All right, so today's goal is to get this shipping container into position. I'm gonna try to maneuver it so it sits like this. Not sure how this is gonna go. I'm gonna try to use my tractor to make this happen. All right, so my first plan of attack here is to try to get the forks onto the ass end and see if I can just kind of push the backside that way. It's on these boards right now, so it should move pretty easy. So I need to try to keep going that way, but I also need to go that way somehow. So that got us pretty good. We need to still cover about 5 feet, I think. Still need to come back a little ways, so I need to move my truck so I can get the tractor in front to kind of push backwards. I'll bring this over to this side. All right, let's see how this goes. We're gonna try sliding the whole thing. Probably come a little bit farther. All right, let's take a look. So with the driveway, it looks pretty straight. I'm gonna have to trim the cedar tree at the very least. This works over here. I have to fix the driveway now. But I think that should work. All right. You do a little bit of raking, but yeah, I think if I rake that around a little bit and kind of mound it out, that'll work fine. All right, well, that does it for setting the container in place. Next one is lights, and then building shelves. So thanks for checking it out. See you on the next one.